How to use WildCard in Fantasy Premier League. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can use WildCard in Fantasy Premier League. For this, open up Premier League app on your device, then tap on the fantasy section and make sure to sign into your account. If you do not have the Premier League application, there is no need to worry since you can also do this on the web browser itself. Simply head over to fantasy.premierleague.com and sign into your account. Now you want to tap on the transfers option. The wildcard in FPL is a chip that allows manager to use unlimited transfers to their team in a single game week without incurring any point deductions. FPL managers are provided with 2 wildcard chips per season. The 2 wildcard chips are split across the season. One must be used before game week 20 deadline and the other after the game week 20 deadline. Now, in order to use the wildcard in FPL, all you have to do is head over to the transfers page. Then you want to make your transfer, which is add and remove players from the squad as you wish. You can do that by simply tapping on that player and tap on the remove player option. Then tap on this empty spot and tap on select replacement. Now you can simply select any replacement that you want. Remember that when using wildcard, you can make as many transfers as you want without any points deduction. Once you have made your desired transfers and before confirming them, look for the option of play wildcard. So for that, tap on the make transfers option. After that, click on the Play Wildcard option. Make sure that you click this before confirming the transfers. When the wildcard is active, you will notice that any points deduction for extra transfers are reset to 0. After you have activated the wildcard, confirm your transfers. The transfers will then be made without any points deduction and your wildcard will be considered as played for the half of the season. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.